The 4th generation platform Lancer Evolution was first announced at the 2005 Tokyo Motor Show as the Concept X1 concept car. Changing direction from the factory tuning car character of its past, it now targeted a premium sports market like the BMW M series and Audi S series. The major difference from the 3 generations and a total of 12 types of Lancer Evolutions in the past is the change of engine from the 4G63 to the new generation 4B11. Its all aluminum construction and rearward exhaust make it difficult to turn into a high-powered turbo, but engineers at Mitsubishi have overcome this challenge. The transmission is offered in a TCS ST 6-speed DCT in addition to the standard 5-speed MT. It is possible to shift quickly using paddles behind the steering wheel. The base transmission was developed by GSR and was tuned carefully for endurance and stable performance. The 4WD system has evolved into the SAWC Super All-Wheel Control system, and it integrates the ACD Active Center Differential and Super AYC Active Yaw Control, and even combines the ABS controls. With the addition of the ABS control, an even more effective control of drive force distribution has become possible. The ACD plus Super AYC controls have been improved to be simpler, and a linear control characteristic has been achieved. Because of its emphasis for the premium market, the quality of the interior, the ride quality and noise levels are much improved from previous models, and the controls that were heavy in the past have been brought to almost standard levels. The top-grade GSR Premium has a chrome-plated front grille, along with BBS wheels and Recaro seat standard equipment.